Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hi, here in this given problem, frequency of the wave, that is f, is equal to 880 hertz. Phase velocity means the velocity with which the wave is moving in forward direction, that is v, is equal to 440 meter per second in the first part of the problem. Phase difference between 2 points, that is given as pi by 6. So path difference, that will be given by lambda by 2 pi multiplied by phase difference, where this wavelength will be given by c, v by f, where v is the wave velocity and f is its frequency. So this path difference will be given by v by 2 pi f into phase difference. Plugging in the known values here, delta x, that is equal to, for v this is 440 divided by 2 pi multiplied by frequency 880 multiplied by delta phi, pi by 6. So this is 2 times, cancelling this pi, this is 2 to the 4, 4 6 are 24. So it comes out to be equal to 1 by 24 meter, or we can say the path difference between these 2 points, that is 4.17 centimeter. Answer for the first part of this given problem here. Then in the second part of the problem, now the time is given as 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 4 second, and within this much time we have to find the phase difference created between the 2 points. So first of all we will find path difference covered within this time, and that will be given by distance is equal to speed into time. Means this is 440 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4, and it comes out to be, or we leave it as it is in meter. So delta phi, the phase difference now, will be given by 2 pi by lambda into path difference. So this is 2 pi by lambda for lambda, this is v by f again, into path difference, or plugging in the known values, this is 2 pi multiplied by the frequency 880 divided by the velocity 440 into delta x, which is also 440 into 10 to the power minus 4. So cancelling this 440, this phase difference comes out to be equal to 0.176 pi radian. Answer for the second part of this given problem here. Thank you.